My name is Clive Gawler, I'm MD of Red Alert Telecare. When we first started, we used a multiplicity of different platforms, everything from SharePoint to some Excel spreadsheets. There was an existing Telecare Office Manager system which we also used, and indeed we had somebody develop something in-house. All individual standalone pieces of software and nothing actually spoke to each other, so lots of dual double entry of data. Our field-based engineers were also struggling for information, certainly in real time. I looked at a number of different monitoring platforms, but nothing really gave us an end-to-end solution. We spent a lot of time talking to both Microsoft partners and standalone organisations offering similar service. What attracted us to Advantage was their willingness and desire to act as a partner in the development. That was critical. They proved to us that they could understand our business, asking the right pertinent questions, and at the end of the day, a lot of chemistry. At that stage, we took the decision to develop our own bespoke solution, which turned out to be called EdgeRedi.
We came in as a Microsoft partner. We were talking about Dynamics 365 field service. And really, as time's gone on, and we've been working with Red Alert now for quite a few years, and it's evolved into EdgeRedi, a product which we can now see can benefit with Red Alert, other Telecare in local authority organisations.
We wanted to make sure that we selected a provider that was going to last into the future, that had a good name in the industry, and we chose Dynamics 365 because all of the modules that were available, from Business Central to the field service application to the customer engagement platform, all of them kind of lined up with the business functions that we need to provide. Everything from inventory management to financing activity, everything was in there, and it just required development to make it suitable for our needs.
I guess if you break it down into its simplest form, the Microsoft solution we've built this on top of was a field service solution for engineers that have a van, let's say for an example, out in the field travelling from point A to point B. So the ability to kind of be able to fit in another job when before perhaps they might have done a different journey and so forth. Just that, the scheduling and the actual management of how they get from A to B is very impactful.
By integrating these existing systems and adding Power BI dashboards, we turned their complex data into actionable insights, which has helped them make faster, smarter decisions and improve overall service delivery.
Not only have we delivered a solution to a client, a customer, we're now building a partnership. And where this platform can go and the people it can help in the organisations is going to be really interesting. Now, we're a technology partner, and obviously Red Alert really understand the industry we're in, and bringing those two together, I think it's going to be great.
It's absolutely transformed the business. It's enabled everybody to work far, far, far more effectively.